Today, we're going to be going into one of the most important and one of the most asked for videos. So, how to use Instagram edits versus CapCut comparison. So, let's get straight into the video. So, we're going to be talking about what each application is good for and what each application is best for and how you can use it. So, Instagram Edits is a streamlined, free mobile-only app perfect for quick cuts, taking head videos, and direct publishing to Instagram without quality loss. CapCut is, however, a robust, cross-platform powerhouse ideal for multi-platform content, advanced effects, templates, and keyframe animations. So if you want fast IG reels and quick in-app uploads, you can simply go ahead and use Instagram Edits, or you can use complex edits, trends, and cross-platform content with CapCut. So when it comes to platforms, Edits is only available on the mobile. CapCut is available on mobile plus desktop. There's also templates and trends. So when it comes to Instagram edits, there's very limited and best to use trends native to the IG or Instagram application. On CapCut, there's massive up-to-date template library. Also, Instagram edits has minimal basic text and color filters and AI tools. When it comes to CapCut, it has auto captions, voice isolation, background removal, AI expansion, and many more. So when it comes to Instagram edits, it is absolutely free, but CapCut, you can go ahead and use free, but there's also advanced features locked behind a subscription. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have